told her mama that she loves him. That's why when he hit her, she never stops him. Hooks to the ribs like a clinch when she hugs him. A hello text from another man gets him mad when he locks in. No asking who he was when he rages, but rages with hits. Kicks to the spots like he was hitting the mitts. A life full of violence like one of them Tarantino flicks. Never once fighting verbally, only blood she spits. She said she love him with her heart, so her blood licks. Never once yelling stop this, never wanna meet the doctors. She don't wanna lose him, so she let him be obnoxious. Either blinded by love and lust, it is dangerous. Why should we let our tears be cleansing us? Living love tense and tough like she inhaled. We know you've been suffering, no hiding we can tell. You've been suffering, bewitched, under a spell. Stupidity.
Why should there be pain on you, girl? Why should there be rain in this world? Why can't there be sunshine? Why can't there be fun times? Fun times. Your heart hurts, your soul cries, your tear bursts, your love dies. Why can't you smile? Why is love so wild? Why should you suffer? Why should there be pain on you, girl? Why should there be rain in this world? Why can't there be sunshines? Why can't there be fun times? Fun times.
Rage and aggression, violence in session. He beats his loved one, crimes of passion. Channels his anger from mind to hand to the wrong person. The situation will just keep on worsen. Hangs out with thieves and liars, alcoholics too. So raging like a bull is what he probably do. Kicking, punching is all he knew, cause daddy did the same and mommy was alright with it. Was the kid to blame? Men are taught to be stronger than their mistress, and society teaches women to be weak and submissive. Wasn't nobody's interest to mix in somebody's business. But when a fist is involved, even love ceases. The words were soft at first, then verbal abuse came. Tears and blood on the white tees, they become too stained. Her eyes become blacker than Hussein Bolt, and the fiery flame of love become dark and cold. Damn.
Why should there be pain on you, girl? Why should there be rain in this world? Why can't there be sunshine? Why can't there be fun time? Fun time. Why she so silent? Why is he so violent? Why should he cry? Why live a lie? Why is love blind? Acting all fine. Crime from behind. Why is love blind? Why should there be pain on you, girl? Why should there be rain in this world? Why can't there be sunshine? Why can't there be fun time?